Derivatives Trading 101. How to open and close positions in contract trading. In contract trading, there are two trading types: open a position and close a position. Opening a position is also called establishing a position. It has two trading directions: open long and open short. If an investor is bullish, he or she can place an open long order to buy a certain number of contracts. If the order is filled, he or she will hold a long position. If the investor is bearish, he or she can place an open short order to sell a certain number of contracts. If the order is filled, he or she will hold a short position. Closing a position means that the investor clears or reduces an existing position. It also has two trading directions: close long and close short. If an investor currently holds an existing long position but turns bearish on the trend of the market, he or she can place a close long order to sell a certain number of contracts to reduce or clear the long position. If the investor currently holds a short position but turns bullish, he or she can place a close short order to buy a certain number of contracts to reduce or clear the short position. In summary, users establish positions by placing open long or short orders. They start to hold contract positions once their open long or short orders are filled. Before the contract expires, users can get rid of their holding contracts by placing close orders. They can close all their existing positions or just partial of them.